So 4 or 5, something like this happening. After you have 3, can't count. So I'll look that up before I upload this video. Got into the back end of the car the other weekend, and I didn't quite get to finish those 2 bits in the back because just flat out with work. But today I thought I'm going to conquer this. The chamber that I was real worried about. So I removed most of the paint off it. As you can see, the holes that I had to fill were down here. Fill all those back up, just got to sand them down. That one's pretty sanded down, so it looks pretty flush. And now I'm just heading around. I made the plates up off camera, and I've cut that part that was rusted and that side there. So now I've got to find out. That's the old one I cut out. All rusted and holes through it. And that was the front section. So now I found the plates. Messy shit. Don't like messy shits. Where'd that plate go? Okay, I've got a new plate there, which goes in that way. I'll tack that in shortly. Off it goes in there and falls out. And the other one I've made up for this. So shortly I'll get in and start welding that up. Right, we have the wheel arch back and welded in. So one more, and that's all the rust out of this body so far. Just got that back one. I'll get into that shortly. So that one actually gave me a bit of grief. Where I've bent the steel around, just around there. It must have made the steel real thin and it started to blow through. So there's a few little minor holes I've got to still patch there, but it's still giving me the right wheel arch. And yeah, looking quite good. So I'll cut a bit more steel and then we'll get back into that side. rust is now finished in the back end. All plated up on there inside. Back of that lip's back on. So happy to say this rolling shell is now rust free. So next thing I'll have to get in and do, make the plate up for that there. And I've got 2 nuts to weld back into there, so I'll weld them back in. Then I'll sit the, actually I might do those next, weld those in. Then I can hold the bumper up out of the road. And then I will spin this car around to the front outside. And that'll be it. So we've got to go repair on that guard to do shortly. So that's so far. That's the outside, all the back end done. Totally good. Love this old girl. The old Falcon squeaky door. Gotta love it. Right, all up inside. No rust up through there, which is good. Alright, so close that door. Next, I'll do those nuts for the bumper bar, and then we'll mount that bumper bar up. Jeez, it's starting to look like a car again. What's going on? And I'll just sort all these nuts out now and get them ready to weld in, and then we'll get in to weld them in. Nuts all welded in. So now, give it a quick roll down, throw that front bumper on, so we can get that out of the road. It's just sitting there and it's slipped off there a few times, so get it put up out of the road. So, we'll see what it looks like after that's on, I suppose. I know I'm going to have to take that off to do that plate under it. But for the time being, it's out of the road, so starting to slowly look like a car again. So, trying to think what else to do now. I'm supposed to do something clean, forgot. Alright, we'll start sweeping up here and get this car ready to turn around, and then we'll go from that. Alright, had the car turned around. Back in this little posse again. So now, when the sun hits tomorrow, we'll go back in, take that steel bumper off, and weld back in under there, back in, and that's it. Now I'm going to start concentrating on, in the Pora 15, sealing down that plenum again, and yeah, try and chase up another guard, bonnet and boot. And I have to get on, find out when I can get these doors. So thanks guys for watching. That's the end of this video, and stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video. Sorry it's been taking so long, but between work and everything else, yeah, it will get done. So thanks for watching. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. And we'll see you on the next video.